I've got a question for you. Does this remind you of something? It's Con Creations magnetic slider, which is my favorite fidget slider. My favorite texture, as you can see, is the diamond. Their textures are ribbed and flat. If you want a paint stim, go for the diamonds every time. I personally use these magnetic sliders every single day because they're perfect for everyday carry, and I choose the silent version so I can discreetly carry them with confidence everywhere I go. If the solid colors don't excite you, they do come in dual colors. I love them all.